Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect a Visual Basic.NET Windows Forms application to a database access. Okay, let's go. The first thing to do is to create a new database access. So we can call it DB. We can open it. Now we are into our access database. We can create a table. We can open it in design view and we can call it customers. We can insert a few fields, for example, a name, surname, and email. We can save it. Our database is ready. Now we copy the path. Okay. Now the second thing to do is to go to Visual Studio and to create a new project. We can create a window form application with a Visual Basic. The folder is okay, and now we can call it test access. Okay, here we go. Okay, new data source, database, dataset, and now we create a new connection to our access database. Database Microsoft Access, okay. We can go to our destination. Okay, our database. We can open it, test connection. Connection is okay. Okay. Connection string, we can choose all tables or all views, but we have only one table. A data grid view. We can put it here. And we can connect it to our data source, our dataset, our table customers. Okay. Now we can use a group box. The group box number 2, where we can put our table, our grid view. Okay. Okay. Now we can put some objects like label and text boxes, so we can insert records, edit records, and so on. Our label and text box. Property text name. Okay, properties of the text box. We can go to data bindings, and the text I can bound it with the name field of our table. Okay. Okay, the first is was the name, the second is the surname, and the text box is bound to another field, the surname field, and the third is the email, and is bound to email. Now we can put on our screen, on our forms, some buttons. The first button, for example, is to go to the previous record. Okay. The second is to go to the next record. Okay. And here we can put other three buttons. You can adjust the dimensions. Okay. Okay, we adjust in that way, so it's nice. Okay. To the previews. Now here we have to set new. Is the button for the new record. This is the button for delete record, and the third is the button for save command. Okay. Here we have to modify columns and to set that the ID column is not visible. Okay, that's right. Can adjust it better. Oh, nice. Now we have to write code for commands. So the previews is as well data source dot move previews. Then the next data source dot move next. So for the new is a customer. I just want to add new. Now the delete command is as well data source dot remove current, and the last is the save command. We can write on error, go to R, and here we can write R, exit sub. Okay, and here if all is okay, we can save data. So our data source dot end edit, then we call the adapter customer table adapter dot update. So our changes are updated, and db dataset, our database name and our dataset name dot customers. That is our table in the database. The last thing to do, if we want, is to set a property to the grid view to deny the manual edit. So we go to the behavior and say that is read only. Okay, there is another thing that we can do is to have a confirmation after saving data. So we can message pointer show text. Okay, data saved such as fully. Okay, now we are ready to go. We can start our application. New record. Mark white. Mark.white test.com. Save. Okay, data saved. Let's create a new record. Sarah Brown S Brown dot test at test.com. Let's save it. Now we can go into our records. If we want, we can add a confirmation message. So message box dot show text. Are you sure? A caption. Confirm operation. Buttons dot yes no. Okay, we can put it into our dim res equal message box. Okay, if res equals not yes, okay. And what we have to do here is to update our dataset, so the record will be removed after our confirmation, and we have not to click the save button. We can start our application. Create a new test surname and test.test at test.com. Let's save it. A record was removed. Now we can also order our data as we prefer. That's all for our little example, for our simple example. Follow me on my Bado-Dev channel on YouTube or on Facebook. Have a nice day. Bye bye.